Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So for today we're doing some acrylic press on nails, and here I'm just showing you the acrylics we will be using. This acrylic here though is a new nude. This is all of our new cover acrylics that we recently launched. So all of these are available on our website. Now if you see that red one that was at the end of the swatch stick lineup, that one was actually an incorrect acrylic. We were wanting more like a neutral nude, and they accidentally sent the wrong one for some reason. So instead of discarding it, we decided to still keep it on our website. So if you're interested in that, you can absolutely still purchase it, but the correct cover acrylic that was supposed to be that one is on its way, and we will be adding that to our website. So follow us over on our Instagram page and keep up with our updates. We are always posting on our stories when we have new product launches or when we restock anything. So if you don't follow us on our Instagram, go ahead and do so. And if you do not have an Instagram, we always try our hardest to send out an email with the new products that we recently launched, or any updates for our products like restocks or anything like that. We try to do an email for those as well. So here I'm just starting off with our classic nude. This is, like I said, one of our new cover acrylics. I will be applying this to the 3 middle nails, so the index nail, the middle nail, and the ring nail. I am not going to be doing too much of a voiceover just because I have tons of stuff to do for our website right now, but I did want to just quickly pop in and let you guys know about the new cover acrylics. And we also have a few of our new products coming in, like our acrylic brushes. By the time this is uploaded, our acrylic brushes will be uploaded on our website, so go ahead and check out our website. The link is always down below, and if you use code YouTube, you can always save 15% on your purchases. Very quickly, while our application like our encapsulation plays out, I quickly wanted to say Happy New Year's, as this video will be uploaded on New Year's Eve. I hope you all had an amazing 2025 year, and I hope many blessings for you for the new coming year. I do also quickly want to take the time to thank every one of you who supported Kairos Nail Supply. Our brand grew so much within this year, and I'm truly thankful and blessed for the opportunity that we got to reach so many amazing nail techs out there, and just to be able to grow our brand. Like, this is something I really wanted for such a long time, and to finally be able to have it grow just mainly within this year is such a blessing, and I'm very, very, very thankful for each and every one of you who supported our website, whether that's purchasing like small orders, big orders. Like, the order amount never matters to me, just even like the tiniest amount of anything is just such a blessing, and I am so thankful for it. I do my hardest to always show my thankfulness and all that for each and every one of you who do support my brand. So again, I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I thank each and every one of you for supporting it, and I hope many more blessings for Kairos Nail Supply within this new year. So while this is finishing up, I quickly want to mention, you will notice in the next few seconds here when I am top coating the set, how the nail that has the 2026 looks like glossy and wrinkly at the same time. And the reason being is because I tried to apply some base coat on top of those numbers because I wanted to add some of the white stars to that nail. But for some reason, the base coat was just separating and I didn't want to wipe it off, because if I did, I would have had to redo the entire stamping process and I did not want to do that. So that is why this middle nail does look like that. And I just went ahead and top coated over it, and it kind of made it look a bit natural, but on some angles you can still see the wrinkle, or not the wrinkle, but like the separation of the base coat. But yeah, I just quickly wanted to mention that. That is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.